back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some fall date night fragrant picks for you, and I love a good date night, okay? Even if it is with your boo for a long time, you know, your future husband, whatever, like your husband, okay? Even if you have a husband or whatever, that I love a good date night. I even do date nights with my friends, okay? With my girlfriends, we do date nights. I live a little bit further from some of my friends, and yeah, sometimes we have to catch up on the catch up, and we do date nights, okay? And so these are fragrant picks for any date night that you may have with a lover or a friend that I would suggest for you. Now, first up, this is for a date that you want to last for a long time, okay? This is for the sexy date night, okay? So for your boo, your lover. lover. That's not a song, but this is for your love or the love of your life. If you are going on a date night, you know, Valentine's, you know, even now, right? Christmas Day, just because day. Okay. And that is Initio's Absolute Aphrodisiac. This is beautiful. A great vanilla pick, okay? When I say this vanilla amber leather, cashmere, it's so silky smooth. This is such like the black dress. This is so sexy. This is such a sexy vanilla fragrance, okay? So if you want to put it on, okay, and you're dressed to impress, and you showing some leg, you showing some shoulders, some décolleté, or whatever you showing, okay, back. You are oiled down and you are ready, I would absolutely recommend Absolute Aphrodisiac from Initio. This is a great, sexy date night. Next up, if you want a date night where your date is going to dream about you, okay? They won't get you off their mind. They will only be like, oh my gosh, you smell so good, oh my goodness. And they will have your scent trail on you. Like, they'll walk into your scent trail, right? You will be like inside, maybe sitting, waiting by the bar, you know, sipping your martini, cocktail, whatever you sip on. And that they're walking in, they will smell you as they walk in. Okay, if you want that type of vibe, I introduce you to none other than Dark Purple, Montel. Yes. This is a beautiful rose, plum, orange type of fragrance. Oh man, so good, you all. Compliments galore, okay? I've gotten many compliments. I was sitting at that bar and I wasn't waiting for the guy. I was waiting for my friend because it was for her birthday dinner. And a guy complimented me, and he just was like, oh my goodness, I still smell you. He kept following me to like, because there were rooms and rooms. Okay, anyway. So he kept following me into the next room, was like, oh my goodness, I still smell you. So I know this leaves a sillage, a scent trail for days. And I just can imagine, you know, I wasn't in the man's dreams, but I could imagine I was in his dreams, girl, okay? And he was thinking about this fragrance down. And this is Dark Purple, okay? This is such a beautiful, long-lasting, it's a beautiful fragrance, okay? So if you're looking to leave a scent trail, a sillage, if you want to be in the man's dream or the woman's dream, hit you up some Dark Purple, okay, from Montel. This is so good, so sexy, and it leaves a lasting impression. Another great date night pick that has aromatic citrus rose in this. You also have some woody notes. that are also in this, and that is 1872. This is Clive Christian. This is the female, or the female version of that, because they do have a male version. But this is so good. When I first heard about this was from the AI the Great, and she talked this down. And she said that like superstars, like famous people out there, this is what they wear and smell like all the time. And so I said I wanted to be, hello, I mean, I'm not famous, but being a part of that number and smelling like that, yeah. And she was absolutely right. Okay, I can see why the stars of the stars wear this. This is beautiful, okay? And talk about a date night. This is a lasting date night. This is classy. This is formal event, right? This is when you're wearing your ball gown. This is when you're dressing up. You don't even have to wear a ball gown, but this is when you're dressing up. You're going on a very like luxury luxe steakhouse, right? You're not going to your run of the mill, and I'm not calling it run of the mills, but you're like everyday restaurants like Cheddar's or something like that, right? You're going to like Eddie V's, you're going to Jeff Ruby's, right? You're going to something more classy, you know, something more dressed up, more luxury. You're going to, I mean, STK, do we really call that luxury? I don't know, you might, but you know what I'm saying, right? You're going to a very fine dining Nobu, right? You're going to a fine dining establishment, right? This is what you would wear to that date night, okay? So first impression, lasting impression, date night, classy luxury dinner date. This is what we're wearing. Yes, ma'am. This is so good. Citrus. There's so many notes in this, but all the notes that are in this still blend so well, and you smell rich. So this is your rich smelling luxury fragrance for date night. This is 1872, and this is the female version. So let's go get this. Clive Christian is absolutely what you want. Next up, another luxury fragrance that I've talked about a time or two, a 20, 100. And I'm not going to stay on this long, but this is Jadoob Mind Games. I feel like this can be man, woman, like unisex down. Anyone can wear this. This is luxury royalty. Again, this is your pomegranate luxury date, okay? So if you want that fruitier pomegranate note to stand out for you, Jadoob is where you want to be. Mind Games, top 10. Top 10 for sure. This is a beautiful fragrance pick for a date night, right? I can see you just looking beautiful. Maybe you even got your makeup done for this date. Like you went all out. If you're going all out for a date, you need to wear this on the date. You will have a great night. Thank me later, okay? Yeah, your sis now. Thank me later. You're welcome. Moving on. Next up, if you want to smell delicious on your date, I can think of no other fragrance to wear but EBK Deep in Desire. Yeah, it's in the name. Desire, luxury, and deliciousness. Yeah, Deep in Desire yacht. I could just stay here forever. I could smell this forever. Oh, it's so good, and it smells like a pastry, a fluffy blueberry pastry. It is so good. The hazelnut that's in this, there's grapes in this, the fruitiness that's in this. And in the base, we have dark chocolate. And this is not like a bitter dark chocolate. It is so good because that, the freshness that it gives from the bergamot and the, I believe grapefruit is in this. That dark chocolate just seems like a milk chocolate. Oh, it's so good. Deep in Desire. You want a date? You're going to have First date, second date, third date, fourth date, fifth date. It's going to keep going on and on and on and on. So if you don't know that's what you want, don't wear this for the first date, okay? Because it will be on and on and on. You know what I'm saying, right? So this is for like maybe the second date, that you had a good first date, second date, and decision date, right? Like, oh, it's so good. EBK, Deep in Desire Yacht. This needs to be on my tray. Absolutely. I need to mark this in my head. Remind me. November, this has to be on my tray. I don't care what the theme is. It could be a smorgasbord. Whatever. It could be just a host of fragrances. But this absolutely has to be on my tray for November. And it does so well in the cold season. Hands down. Great date night. Woo, I just want to go to sleep. It's just so good. Chef's kiss. All right, moving on. Next up, Angel Elixir. I've been talking about this down. This is a winner. Honey, I don't know. I didn't know. This is probably going to be gone by the end of this season. This is date night, date. You know, if you're out with your girlfriend, you know, this is all those dates combined. This can be a goer for any of that. This is so good in the fall season. This is such a great pick for a date night. It's so good. Like, I've been having a ball with this and I forgot that this was so good. And I'm getting compliments galore. How this does on my skin. I don't know if you all have Angel Elixir, how it does on your skin, but listen, like, it's fresh but dynamic. Like, it's beautiful. Okay, beautiful. I've talked about this so much, so I'm not going to stay on this long. Hit up another video. I've talked this down, but I need to talk about it again. I mean, pink pepper, jasmine, ylang-ylang, vanilla. It's so good. Such a beautiful, spicy vanilla fragrance. Get your life. You'll get your life. Great date night pick. Highly recommend. And last but certainly not least, a great coffee fragrance with rose and honey. Deluxe from Tiziana Terenzi. So good. Such a great date night choice. If you're looking for something with rose, iris, but still sweet, still, you know, not too heavy on the coffee, still pleasing, and you still smell put together, pleasant, a great date fragrance, date night is Deluxe. I mean, this is kind of like classic, an easy reach, you know. I don't care what the date is, right? I don't even care if you have a work date. Do you have work dates? That might not be a thing. That sounds like HR. Okay, maybe you don't have work dates. But if you are out with your girlfriends, right? Your guy, your boo, your husband, whatever that looks like, this is a classic pick for any date night setting that you have. Highly would recommend Deluxe from Tiziana Terenzi. It's a beautiful rose fragrance for this fall season. Well, that's all, family, for the fall date night picks. My recommendations for you, my suggestions for you. I mean, if you have one in your wardrobe, you can probably attest to this. So comment down below. Let the fam know. I would love to know, what are your top date night picks for the fall season? You know I want to know. So comment down below. Tell me what you're wearing if you are dating. And if you're not right now, still let me know what your thoughts are, because we all have them, okay? Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.